What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Pretty Righteous, and I'm back today with yet another Watch Me Do My Hair video. And today's video will not be long, it will not be time consuming, it won't be anything complicated. I think all y'all watching will be able to do it. It's just a simple ponytail. You know, back then when we used to wear the ponytails, they used to be regular old. You clip the combs in, you pull the drawstring, wrap it around, and you go. Well, now they've kind of redone the wraparound ponytails. It's basically just I described it as it looks like a closure, and it has a section of hair that's put to the side, and once you clip that part in, the whole ponytail in, then you're gonna wrap the hair, the left eye hair around. So that's kind of like what they're doing today, and I'll show y'all when I open it up. But I ordered today's ponytail from samsbeauty.com. I will link it down below and the price details and all of that. It was only like $10 or $11. I'm not really sure, I can't remember. But yeah, these ponytails are so hard to come by online, y'all. Like, I tried so many times to order this thing online, and they were always sold out. Like, all of like the 1s, the 1Bs, the 2, you know, any natural color, it was just always sold out. And I was scrolling Instagram the other day, and Sam's Beauty had finally announced that they restocked. So I heard them jumped on it, and that is how I got lucky and got this one. So as y'all can see, this is a stock card on it. So yeah, 32 inches, y'all. So if y'all ain't about that life, girl, I don't think this is gonna be for you, but I think I'm about that life. I think I'm about it. So I got it in the texture natural Yaky, and it does come in like 3 or 4 different textures, I want to say. I know it's natural Yaky. They have a body wave texture. They have a straight and silky texture. I think that's it. I don't know, I might be missing one, but I know for sure those are the 3 of them. But this is the one I always wanted. Like, when I watched other videos on these ponytails, these wraparound ponytails, I fell in love with the natural Yaky. So that was the only one that I knew that I truly wanted. So I was so excited when I finally got it. Yeah, so yeah, 32 inches, y'all. So we gonna see how this work out today, honey. I might have to call my boyfriend over after this if I like this. But yeah, let's take it out the pack, shall we? Like I said, it was on like $10 or $11, not much. I think you'll pay more for shipping than you pay for the actual ponytail. But that's another subject for another day. So let's get all of this off. I don't want to pull it. Let's grab some scissors, cut the stock card off. Let me just give y'all a closer look at the stock card. Feel free to pause it, screenshot it, do what you gotta do. But this is the stock card. Yeah, it's a little bit. Okay, anyway. But this is what I saying. This is what I was saying. Like, I feel like it looks kind of like a closure or a frontal. But yeah. And this is what I was saying. This is the construction of the ponytail. See, it kind of looks like a closure or a frontal or something, but this will be the one and only comb on the ponytail right here. So you'll clip this ponytail to the side of your bun or whatever you got going on back there. You'll clip this into the side of it, and then you'll wrap it on around. And this little, see how they have this section separated from the hair? That is what you're going to wrap around the base of the ponytail to cover up all of this. So I think it's a neat idea. I love it. And like I said, like, I love this texture, y'all. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, girl, I can't wait to see. It kind of gives me like those Nicki Minaj vibes. You know, she wears those big Yaky ponytails sometimes. Like Italian Yaky or something like that. I love it. But yeah, like I said, y'all, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me, child. Like, I'm scared. So here we go. So I'm just gonna be looking over here in the mirror. So I'm clipping it into the side of my bun. That I've already had my hair slicked down today. I wetted and molded it down. I had to spray it and freeze the hell out of it with some got to be freeze spray, because you know I got fine curly hair. Gel just does nothing for my hair. So okay, so now I got it clipped into the side. So let's see how this goes. I hope I'm doing this right, because it doesn't feel like it. Okay. So it's on. And this is the extra piece of hair that they left out. So I guess we wrap that on around. Y'all, this was so fast and easy. Oh my god. Oh, wait a minute. Something right. Wait. Okay, wait. Y'all, and I'm so damn clumsy, y'all. Like, I'm expecting something to go wrong. I know this won't come out perfect the first time, but I'm just doing it and letting y'all watch me do it for my very first time, because some of y'all might be like me out there, like, we not hair professionals, we not professional stylists or nothing like that, child. We just get it how we can out here, but we still cute. So, after I've done it, I'm just gonna take some regular old bobby pins, stick those there. So after I get that in place, I want to just before putting the bobby pins in, I will say it does feel secure. Ooh, honey, baby girl. Yeah, it does feel secure without the bobby pins. I'm just gonna put it right here at the top, and probably add one more along the bottom, because that was a really long piece of hair that they left out for the leave out to wrap around. So I'm gonna just pin it in place in case they want to decide to slide on throughout the day, because I do have some stuff to get out and do today. So yeah, look, you got some flyaways, so be aware of that. I might just have it in wrong, but whatever. Okay. And that's it. Like, it's in, it's on, it's good. So I hope I got this on right, y'all. Something right here feels funny. I don't know. But I'm gonna just give y'all a quick spin around, just show you what I got. So yeah, I think I clipped it in right here to this side, and then I just started wrapping it around. And it only took like two wraps, and it was on. And yeah, the hair texture is so soft, y'all. Like, even though it's Yaky, it's so soft, and it's no tangling and none of that. It's such a soft. I love it. Like, so I'm just gonna keep wearing it throughout the day. Hopefully it's not like that kind of hair that like you wear it and like an hour later it tangles up. But I don't know, so far I love it. I've been wanting this ponytail for so long, y'all. I'm just in the mirror. It's so cute on me. Yes. Where's my man? I need somebody's nerves to get on now. So yeah, y'all, again, that was the Organic Pony Pro Easy Wraparound Ponytail, the #1. Natural Yaky texture, 32 inches. And y'all, I am not sure. There you go. I'm not sure if this ponytail comes in a shorter length, because every time I've seen this ponytail and with other girls doing it and reviewing it, they're always like 30 something inches long, like, or if not 30, almost 30, like 28 or something like that. So I don't know if they come shorter. If they do, I would definitely love to get one. The same texture, of course. I'm not really interested in the other 2 or 3 textures that they have. I just love this one so much. It's so natural looking, and it's just, get it. I just love it. It's so soft and so mean. So yeah, y'all, that was it today. Like I said, it was not a long video at all, and hopefully y'all enjoy. Let me know if y'all want to see anything else. I wonder how this would look as a top ponytail. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm gonna have to give it a try one of these days. Whenever I take this down, I'm gonna give it a try out with the top ponytails. I think that'll be a bomb look. But I got such a big ass, funny shaped head. I don't know. But I'll try it out. If I like it, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope y'all did like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do anything to show me love. You can also follow me on my social medias. I will link all of that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.